Hey guys, this is Mrs. Daniel, and this is our new way of learning. It's distance learning. So hopefully I'm going to get some videos posted to show you what we're doing. Honestly, for this week, since this is so new, what we're going to be doing in our Google Classroom is just reviewing, nothing new, proportional relationships. It's where in class we would cross multiply and divide. And I have some practice problems set up for you. I scanned in the notes that we already took in class, and I will be posting a video or two of some examples to help you. If the videos and the notes are not enough help, then what you can do is you can download this Google Hangouts app. It is free. And then you can start a new conversation by just clicking the green button. And when you start the new conversation, you're going to want to type in my email address, and it's going to be like an IM to your friend or a text message. So if I wanted to call Miss Ojeda, I could start typing in her email address and she pops up. And then I have some options. Once Miss Ojeda has popped up, I can call her or I can just simply text her. If it's easier, you can just send me an email at this email address, and then I can reply back. I'll be checking my email daily, actually quite often. I do miss you guys. It's going to be a little weird, but we're going to do our best together. One favor I have is if you know of somebody in our class that has not signed up for our Google Classroom and has internet and has the ability to do so, would you please give them the class code and ask them to sign up? If they are unable to do that, tell them to go to Garner Middle School on Monday, that's March 23rd, and have them pick up the paper assignments. The paper assignments aren't going to be as good because you don't have the videos, you don't have some of the interaction that you would have on the Google Classroom. So again, if you know anybody, text them and ask them to sign up on the Google Classroom. So again, I miss you. If you need me, Google Hangout me, and we're going to figure this out together. See you later.